everyone, in today's video we will be discussing the skills required to become a data scientist. You know, data science is arguably one of the most hyped fields of the 21st century. It is a combination of mathematics, statistics, economics, algorithms, programming skills and to construct the means for extracting business-focused insights from data. It is the ability to look at the things differently. Hence, we can say data science is multidimensional. Data science is not just subjective to one particular background or a field. Data scientists come from wide range of educational backgrounds. Professionals from different verticals are moving to analytics and learning data science. A data scientist collects, analyzes and processes the raw data. He or she should know how to visualize data. We can say a data scientist a person that gives direction to a company. Apart from this jobs is for people who love challenges every day. As a data scientist, you will be responsible for jobs that span three domains of skills. You will often be tasked with leading data science projects from front end to back end, which are statistical or mathematical reasoning, business communication or leadership, and programming. Now let us see what are the skills required to become a data scientist. First, let's talk about some business skills we require, like critical thinking, in which one should understand what resources are critical to solve a problem and objectively analyze questions, hypotheses and results. Industry knowledge, which need understanding the way your chosen industry functions and how data are collected, analyzed and utilized. Intellectual curiosity, which need exploring new territories and finding creative and unusual ways to solve problems. Effective communication, which need detailing your techniques and discoveries to technical and non-technical audiences in a language they can understand. Now let us see some technical skills, which are mathematics, which required knowledge of linear algebra, calculus and probability. Statistics, which required knowledge of data collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation. Programming languages like Python, Java, R, SAS, etc. Machine learning and deep learning, for example, k-nearest neighbors, random forest, assemble methods, etc. Software engineering skills like distributed computing, algorithms and data structures. Big data processing frameworks, for example, Hadoop, Hive and Pig. Data mining, example, Orange, Kaggle, RapidMiner. Data cleaning and merging, for example, OpenRefine, Drake, Data Cleaner. Data visualization, for example, Tableau, Infogram, ggplot, Fusion Charts. Cloud tools like Amazon S3, AWS. Currently, 70% of job postings for data scientists are for professionals with less than 5 years of work experience. The average salary for data scientists is $95,000 in US and 6,98,412 INR in India. There are certain job roles in data science. Each job role is paid differently depending upon the skills. A few examples would be data analyst, which earns rupees 2 lakhs to 9 lakhs, whereas software engineers, which earns rupees 2.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. We hope you learned something new from this video and got good insights into the skills required to become a data scientist. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.